Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you convert your Amazon gift card voucher to cash in Paytm? Well, you don't actually convert it directly to cash, but you could absolutely use it as a basically means of paying whatever it is you like on Paytm, like flights or bus fare. That's basically it. So all you need to do is send it to the email that you are registered in on the Paytm. Like for example, I have this email, this exact email that I have on Paytm, exactly what I have. So once I'm done here, I'm selecting the date. I'm just going to click on enter, and that's just, yeah, this is basically it. So the exact email, okay? Right, and then I'll be able to, after this, I'll be able to use it as a online credit for me to book a flight or a bus fare or whatever it is I'm trying to avail on Paytm. So that's just basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.